If you're looking to make a free animation in seconds without any experience, then this is the right video for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to make animation in seconds. I'm going to show you examples, okay? So first, what you have to do is you have to install an app called Flippa Clip, okay? It is very easy to make a animation with Flippa Clip. Type Flippa and then you'll just see the search options. And I already have it installed, okay? So you have to install it, okay? And it's made by Visual Blaster LLC, okay? So let's just go on to the Flippa Clip app. I'm going to open that app up, okay? It's going to show a animation. So you have to watch the animation, okay? And then I have a few animations I made myself. If you want to look at one, you can look at this one. It's called First Fight. I named it like that because it's like my first fight I made with animation. So let's just look at that. I'm gonna play it. Okay, two guys, they hit each other. Okay, he shoots a laser beam and then he's dead, but the third guy gets pissed off with a snake. Okay, so that was one of my first animation fights. Okay, so that is very, old and hype, and I liked it. And you can make new projects by the second, okay? So now what you have to do is you have to press the plus icon, okay? So press it, and then you can choose the animation project name, and then you can also choose the background, and you can also take a photo and use it as a background. So let's see, I can take a background as a photo, or I can choose the default backgrounds, or I can choose a photo from my photos library, okay? So these are what you can use, but I'm just going to go with the default ones, like the sidewalk, okay? And I'm just going to type it JFF, that is short form for just for fun, okay? And I recommend, if you are making an animation for YouTube, you should take it around 12 FPS, but for you guys, I'm going to take it to 2, but you should, I recommend for you, take it to 12. I'm going to take it to 5, okay? I'm going to check that. And you can select which, for what you're making this, okay? You can choose YouTube 1080, you can choose YouTube 720, you can choose Instagram, TikTok, Vimeo, Facebook, Tumblr, and other. Okay, I recommend if you're making for YouTube, do the 720 pixels, okay? Now all you have to do is click the create project, it does saving, and then you can draw easily and it will be easy for you, okay? Now I am going to show you how to make it, okay? So first thing you need to know is about frames, okay? If you did not study science class, then you should focus in your science class because frames are very important, okay? So this is very easy to do. I'm just going to do a ball jumping, okay? So I'm just going to go to the pens, and I'm going to select a pencil as a sketch, or we can also select a marker pen. You can change the color, okay, and you can do much more. You can make the dots more thinner or darker, and you can erase, add color, and many more things, okay? So we're just going to do a simple ball animation. So first the ball comes out of the corner, okay, and then we have to press the slide button over here, and you will see a ghost version or the onion version of the previous drawing, okay? So now what you have to do, you have to create the ball, and that's the second frame. The third frame, just move it little bit like that. Wait, let me just undo it and create a nice ball. So this is some basic, and if you want very neat, clean ones, you can check out the other tutorials for very neat and clean. So this is very basic on the phone, so you can do it on the phone, okay? And it's fully free, except it has ads. Okay, now I'm just gonna draw. Okay, it's just going to fall down like this, slowly. Okay. This is not very neat or clear, but if you want neat and clear, just check out the other tutorials. Okay, it's just gonna bounce off like squash. Okay, and it's just gonna go. Wait. Okay, now it's just gonna go next and next, and it's just, oh wait, I forgot this frame. Okay, now let's just go to the next one. Okay, now we'll just make a small curve and then nothing. Okay, now so far let's see how our animation goes. Well, the ball doesn't look the same, but it's still very nice, right? So if you're making a ball animation, you should put it in 5, 6, or 7. That way it will be more clear. But for normal things, you should put it to 12 frame rates. Okay. So that is how you make a very simple animation. Oh, there's an ad. Okay, just skip that ad. Okay, so that is how you make a very simple animation, and we learned it in 5 minutes, I think. So that is very easy for you guys to learn. It's easy without any experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to support us, please do by subscribing. And I hope you learned how to make the animation. Thank you. If you have any questions, please comment below. We'll reply as fast as possible. Thank you for watching. You can learn anything. Shamil out.